Good morning, guys, from East Africa. Welcome on today's video. It's very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So guys, on today's vlog, are very special. I'm heading outside, and I want to clean our yard. So it's totally mess. So at the same time, guys, I don't know where I'm going to start from, but first, let me take my breakfast, guys. I was charging my camera in Nyabuhansi very in the morning. When I wake up, other people didn't wake up because I ran out to charge my camera because at home here, no power. So even my phone, and at the same time, I charge my power bank. So right now, I think the power bank, it's charging my phone. I just came with it here. So wow, I don't know where I'm going to start from, guys, because after a few minutes later, I was arranging my house here and there, man. So I don't know, guys, where I'm going to start from. So that being said, my phone is charging here. You can see it's around yeah. So we're approaching to noon time exactly, guys. Yeah, my phone is charging. Actually, this is the power bank here that we're using to charge some stuff. Wow. So let me see. Yeah, you normally put the tea here. Yeah, just the tea. So that's where my mama keep it for me. Okay, guys, let me bring the cup, and then we drink. The sun sets from here. Every day I'm showing you guys, when it's reached here, it's something else. So I put this slash here and also funnel. I'm going to sharpen it, or to sharpen that funnel, and then start cleaning our yard. I'll show you outside there. It's under total mess. Yesterday I moved some timbers there, and then maybe some snake would hide there, or some scared animals. So I need to clean. That's our work. And then I'll see, guys, the time that I'm going to update my mama house. Yeah, the old one. This is how our small kitchen looks like. Welcome, guys. I was born and raised from this family that you see here, so nothing to be hide. All right, guys, having one memory or SD card, so it went full of the videos, so it's supposed to delete and then to get enough space. So that being said, guys, I was born and raised on this family here. Actually, nothing to be hide, so I'm just looking the cup. Oh my god. Sometimes it's crazy. But anyway, I found this small one, and my mama was preparing some tea here. You see, even you see, it's lighting like this firewood. Also, we have some crazy hen here, guys. I don't know how the hens survive here, or our chicken survive here laying eggs, guys. Imagine here, these some eggs. Actually, the hen lays here eggs. Look at this. And then every day my mama cook here, the hen lay eggs there. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my African mom. So mama want to prepare lunch for let me say January. She want to prepare lunch, guys. So this crazy situation, I'm taking my breakfast because since morning I was not around. Wow, let's see. See that experience, they use pipe. this one here for lighting fire, you know. Okay, so guys, I think from that, let me go and drink my breakfast because I'm totally hungry. I got, hey, you see that technique? Right. And then also yeah, so right now guys, we have water from outside. We normally use that water for cooking, you know. Pombres. Even the hair. Yeah, like that. No, that's water inside there, guys. Why is it? Oh man. Yeah, I see one of, I think, 2 people comment, hello baby, when you get money you should buy your mama gas cooker. I'm thinking on that, but yeah, she normally use that experience of cooking with firewood. I think close to 21 years, guys, you know. So nothing to be hide anymore. Oh my god, mama shoes going on the other side. I think here, water inside here, guys, you know. Yeah. Hey, these girls. And it's a lot. Yeah. Especially for, yeah, I love it. I love it so much. I love veggies, guys. I don't know why, you know. Me, I like to eat meat, man. I'm not recommend. But veggies, number 1. Yeah. So guys, my work, it's already started. Let me drink my tea and then we do quick and fast. This milk tea, guys, you know. Yeah. Whew, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new, guys, you meet my videos on this platform, show me some love. Wow, the good thing is right now, nowadays, I found a stand, you know. Yeah, mom, thank you so much. Yeah, for supporting me this stand and also the camera. Nowadays I didn't struggle, you know. I can place it the way it is and then start taking my tea. Yeah, I was keeping that that handle inside my house because on my normal vlog I normally use other handle. So let me show you first, guys, you know. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm heading actually, guys, I'm heading to my room right here. Yeah. Yeah, I was working smart, guys. Working smart. You know, I was working smart. More smart. So I bought this handle, guys. You see here. Yeah, it's a somehow sponge right here. And then it's written here GoPro also here. And then I have this yellow one, but this one it's somehow nice, looks so nice or beautiful in colors, but it's fake one. When you tie it, like, it can't survive for the long time. So this one, it's break, and then I keep it, you know, it's break right here. You see right here. And then yeah, I think the best way we can do with this one is to remove only this screw here. I keep it as a stock, this one here, guys, that you see. So yeah, to be a good blogger, you need to have some equipment, guys, you know. Wow. Let me enjoy my breakfast, guys, as you go. Yeah, this is my 2 amazing handle, but other one gets like breakdown, you know. Yeah, guys, you know, when I'm sitting in my house looking to other side and then to this side, I say, oh man, when I see my mama one day the house reach at this stage, like painting on the wall, like you see on the other side, fixing the ceiling board. And we have some different category of ceiling board. This one is PVC, and then we have gypsum. Yeah, wow. And then when I see even finish fixing or putting the tiles like that one there on my mama house, man, I'll feel much better. So I know most of the time right now, people ask me, hello baby, when did you start building your mama dream house? Man, let me tell you one thing. If okay guys, just a minute, you know. Yeah. Okay guys, so right now this is the best time to collect material, you know. Yeah, so I don't want to build my house, my mama house, and then it reach at the foundation stop. No, so right now better I take time, and then when I start building, like nothing to be stopped there, you know. So when I build outdoor toilet, guys, I'm giving you brief story. I learned something new from there because I started building that toilet with no money, and then I dig the hole, all that pit latrine or septic, remain there like 3 months. So God is good. I get the money, and then I start making blocks. You know, I see it's more expensive buying sand, buying cement, also using that labor money to make blocks. You know, so my aim was to build 3 doors or 3 door. I think that, but my mason told me you need to add an extra one room for your mama bathroom. Also, like your family is somehow large in number, or the population of my family goes up, so we decide to do 2 toilets at the middle, and then aside, both side, right and left, some washroom. So I see it's a good suggestion, and then man, it take time, but I said if I'm going to build my house, I will collect material when it's enough. The moment I start, nothing to be stopped there. Even right now, guys, I'm thinking if today I'm going to start that house, and then I have already demolished my mama house, where mama should go to sleep, because I need when I'm going to start that house, when it reaches the rental, and then maybe doing roofing, like timber from work. So from there maybe we can put aside some roof, and then my mama starts staying there as we plastering the rest of the room. But actually, guys, the good thing is, at this moment, I'm pushing myself buying material. If you see me delaying, guys, you be aware, know that Hello Baby is working for the material, you know. Also, I need to have for the starting point, I need to have 60 bags of cement. So it's make me to push, you know, putting more videos, and then I see whether I can achieve my goal buying that cement, you know. So I think on my previous video which I did, I took my sister to school because he was sent come back home for the school fees. But I see my fellow Kenyan said, oh, you are too much beggar. Better I beg for my family, you know. For those who people say that I'm a beggar, including my fellow Kenyan, let me beg. But one day, you never believe it, Hello Baby. So guys, I'm continuing taking my breakfast, and then I'll take you outside, guys. So I was saying, so that being said, guys, my suggestion is to build hidden roof, but for my good subscriber, also my soul subscriber said, hello baby, no, don't go for the shortcut. And guys, the moment you advise me, I agree with you, you know. So because you are older than me, so there's no need to argue or go ahead of you, no. The moment you say, hello baby, this is supposed to be like the way it is, you know. So I'll do it roofing, guys. I'll put iron sheet on top so they can last for the long time. Yeah, I feel so good, guys. You know, on these streets, I'm not alone. You know. Ah. Yeah, for my Jamaican family, one love. You know, sitting like a boss. One day I will be a boss, guys, for sure. One day I will be a boss. What do you think? No. Wow. I think my man and care mind. So I think mouse she was growing maize. Yeah, and then taking to the portion meat. Here I goes.
Say hi.
Oh. What's about it? Okay guys, this is the maize corn that we have here. You see, and then we dry it because the sun is other side here. So we dry the maize corn. I think mama will take to the portion meat. Sasa utunuka hii. Hey. Sangapi?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, man. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Man, for sure, I love village life. I think I'll fix my camera here. I love village life, guys. Yeah, 100%. I love it. 100%, guys. I love village life. I'm telling you the truth, guys. You know. Guys, you changed my life, man. You changed my life, you know. All things that I see here when I take my eyes, when I throw my eyes right, left, center, I said, God, thank you so much for this platform. Thank you so much, you know. For the start, let me tell you guys, for those people who starting YouTube street or YouTube platform, for the starting, it's somehowly hectic. But if you keep putting more videos, more consistent, guys, let me tell you, you start to enjoy yourself. If you think I'm lying, go and click my old video, you will see, and then compare on this vlog, you know. Like 100%, my life have been transformed emotionally, physically, and also naturally. Man, I can't complain. You know, to have a cup of tea like this on a table at this moment, it's by God's grace. But about years, man, let me tell you one thing. My mama, like during weekend when we are around at home, and then my mama prepare porridge, putting on a container. We went to the farm, man, working on people's farm, and then at the end of the day, we come so late. You know, we eat only supper. But I say, okay, God see how we struggle, guys. And then I said one day, like, even me, I never knew, you know. I found myself on these streets, and then I see my life have been transformed step by step. I said, Mom, you need to stop working so hard. At least you work on your own pace, and then let me, on my side, let me work hard also the way you work so hard to make sure that your kids get food on table. So it's my work, Mom. It's my time to work so hard, and then to feed you also. You know, relax. Man, I feel so good. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Wherever you are, thank you so much. Thank you. You know, my video sometime, it's a mixture, you know. I'll bring maybe my life history, and then as we keep going, guys, you know, we have other people watching this video, and then shortly they know how my life starts, you know. Yeah, so this is the last cup, and then we go. Oh, Man, we shall meet on the next video outside there. So let me finish my breakfast. So I don't want maybe like talking too much, inside here. So it's time to take you outside, guys. So stay tuned, man. Okay, guys. I'm heading outside, but I want to show you how my mama cook ugali. Like it's to roll ugali. I don't know, guys. I don't know, but comment on the comment section. I'm trying to put my hair aside. Comment on the comment section. And I don't know why, guys. Inside here, it's better quality. I'm looking more brown, man. But it's because of light. Whoa. So this case here. And then after ugali is ready, they're gonna start cutting kales. From that, man, the food's on table. Yeah, adding flour like that. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh my god. I normally work so hard, Oh, I'm trying to fix the chair, That's Mama Rai there cooking, guys, I don't know, maybe you can see her. Okay. Yeah.
Chingoka chichabu mara ni satu aju.
Satu chi hena chani bere.
Chawi bere ya mate.
Imbere tu.
Moyo shanswe. Bore.
It's crazy. It's fall down. Wow. Cooking for the family. Alright, guys, let me take you outside, and then on my work for today is to clean our yard, Guys, I am at 10. Guys, hey, this is the next step. So I'm going to sharpen this stuff right here, and then from that we shall continue from there. Yeah, let me remove my bike from Sunny. Yeah, that's my baby. Yeah, sweet home sweet. Okay, guys, it's time to sharpen this stuff. Now, guys, I fixed it here, and then you'll see me sharpening, guys. No pressure on that. This is a funnel here, guys. Chururu. Village life. That's how it's sharpening, guys. No machine here. Alright guys, so I think everything is just okay. So my work is to clean our yard, guys. It's totally mess. Even I don't know where I'm going to start from, you know. Yeah, that's the good thing about when I'm around at home, is to fix things here and there, you know. Yeah, yesterday I was been here removing this. I think also, guys, I'm going to start from, let me slash right there, and then I'll come to, after slashing right there, I'll come and then cut this firewood into pieces or small pieces, and then I put aside, and then boom, you know. Things look in total mess inside here, guys. Yeah. Looking bush, guys. Oh my god. Where I'm going to start, guys, from? Should I start from here or that way, guys? You know, sometime hey. Because I'm looking the better place. I want to fix my camera, and then we start from there, you know. Oh guys, this is the real struggle from here. My camera decided it will not be. You know. Here, no option. Okay. No option here, guys. But I must clean it, you know. Yeah, to be looking more arrangeable, guys. Alright guys, that is my struggle from here. Okay. Okay guys. Yeah. look at this place. Show them. You see, guys. You had even the cock. That's more blessing, guys. You know, guys, without doing that, I find myself some crazy animals coming here. Okay. You heard the cock? That means that's blessing, you know. If I could have the longest tripod stand, I could show you more and more, guys. Hey, so I'm heading up to down there, and then now, you know. Okay, let's go, guys. Look at this, you know. Yeah, you can't guess what's on the inside here, guys, you know. But we try to do like that, introduce them. Whew. This crazy situation. Hey. Hey, I see the coconut fruits. Well, this stuff from the coconut. Yeah, when I came from Mombasa, I normally landed with this stuff here, you know, all the way from Mombasa. Like to drink. I think coconut water very good and nice. At the same time, it's wash kidney. Like it shared the concept with the cucumber, you know. Yeah, also you can use this one for, oh my god, something. Also you can use water from the coconut, like this one here, with maybe with flour. You can make dumpling, you know, Jamaican food. Dumpling is the amongst Jamaican food that we have. There's a day we went far away from our village. There's a waterfall on the other side. Yeah, so we went there with Dimango, and then she actually showed us some experience how to prepare Jamaican food, like dumpling. And then, man, a dumpling like this, it's dumpling, I don't know. Bumpling or a dumpling, I don't know, guys. We can't finish. One like this, like the image like this of a dumpling, we can't finish that one. If you finish, you find yourself the whole day from morning up to night. You are full, you know. Okay. Also at the same time, this outer core for the coconut, it's a firewood, and then it's have a good source of firewood. You know, the trees are waving. You know, look. Say hello to my subscriber. More greeting. You see how it's behaving. Yeah. So guys, actually imagine I was coming from other side right there, you know. I'm trying to make this place looking clean, not scared, guys. Wow. So let me fix here my camera. But my camera can't zoom, guys. So that's the reason why I think here it's number 1. Okay, guys. Right there, that's number 1. You know? Guys, we can't imagine this is a medicine of treating, I think, spraying tomatoes, guys. You know, I had them smelling. Imagine, guys, somebody threw this one to our yard, and then I don't know this somebody, and then we have some small kids here playing. If they could form this one, guys, more dangerous, more harmful to their bodies, and then they will lose some life, guys. Look at this. Also inside we have medicine. Okay, no idea. Mom, these are medicine, guys, for spraying tomatoes. I see it's written here, and also kales. Somebody threw here, man. You know, this is crazy. You know, Mom, hey. Phew. Imagine hii dawa ya sukuma. Sijui nani alitupaga huko. Maili wako ili sukuma nunga atabutire ha. Maa naga fake. Mahar. Nuatora. Guys, but it shows my mama who keep it there outside. Hanga nende tiri ntamanyire. Kana nigo ranyunka. Ente mera kuibanga ntamanga ndete kere. Oh. Shows my mama who keep it here outside, you know. So it's illegally. Yeah, hanga hendi nyori. Hanga hano. Kundikira kwa ngogore. Hano isamu hano ndi nyori. Okay, man. You just keep it. Oh, okay. So, guys, according to our local maybe experience, harmful medicine, you didn't keep it inside the house. You know, we have our small kids like my sister. They think maybe it's maybe a liquid juice and then drink. So that's the reason why my mama keep it outside. Me, I thought maybe somebody throw it here randomly, but my mama told me she was the one who keep it alongside on this trees like this. Yeah, because we have kales here. You see, for the spraying of kales. Also can use for the spraying of the tomatoes. Wow. Hanga hamiga hanga hankem. Tu. Kono. Tukuiwa. Okay, guys. my work is to continue, guys, from there. You know, the good thing I talk with my mama. Oh my god. So let's continue, guys, from there. Aba usaba maboko. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Hey. Okay, guys. It's not an easy thing, guys, you know, but I don't want to interfere with this place here, because I realize this also is a slippery veges right here. You know, it's all over. You can see that one here, it's go that way. So I'll reach at this also here, inform them. So I think I'll reach at this point and then heading that way right there. You know, I get some injured on my fingers, but let's go. Yeah, we normally do it manually. No gloves. No gloves. Yes. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. No gloves. Afano ukionyesha hapo mafungo usiume handle. Okay, come along. Come this way. Sora songa ha. Singani. Come on. Guys, me, I'm tired. I think I'll stop here. That's one. Let me. Working in Africa, guys. Let me do this part here. Let me kill a camera. Firefighter, guys. No, this avocado tree. And then it's die off. Hey. Oh my god. So when I reach at this point, my work is to cut this firewood. And then I think I'll put aside here. Okay, guys. Into small pieces. Oh! Boom. Look at me, mama. Oh. And one could do it so cute. Carro, I would. Mama umeanza kuleta ukora. Ukora humuhumu. Kali. So guys, my mama told me like you just arrange there. So let me put it in one position. And then I do some work there. Guys, that's my work for today. Simple life. Natural. I arrange them on one side so I can get enough space for flashing, guys, you know. Imagine, guys, we have some firewood here. Like, you're not going looking for the firewood, just only have. And I have a sun. What a beautiful day, guys. So that's my work, is to arrange that firewood from there, putting here, and then I think I'll finish working this place. I'll show you how I'll do some slashing, guys, and then from that taking the cow to the grazing point. At the same time, Mama shows like few minutes she wanna finish cooking inside there, like veggies or lunchtime, and then we take the cow to the grazing point, guys. Oh, this is not a joke, guys. You know, every when I'm coming here, I see this place, I say, oh, when should I do some cleanness here? But right now I decide today, let me spend a day at home here doing some manual cleaning, guys, in our yard. Alright, guys, I'm almost, finished this wall. So that one, I think it's okay. Now this yard was looking like Shagarabaga. Firewood everywhere. Watu wangu nimemaliza. Hey, you know, I'm so tired, guys, but I finish up. Hey. Okay, guys. Guys, sometimes to be alone at home, other brother went to school, it's something hectic. Yeah, look how it looks like, super nice. Yeah, super nice. Super nice, guys. So guys, we shall continue from there. Even I feel my hand something painful. Let me have a brief, shift. But right now, guys, I'm gonna take you around to see how well done job have been going on here. Yeah. You see, guys, now how it looks like starting from here. You see, yeah, it's looking so nice. Even right now you can see a chicken passing here. But initially, before we do some cleanliness, when the chicken go inside there, you can't see them. You know. And then I arrange the firewood. This one here, right here, and then I think another one on the other side. So that one have the timbers. Yeah. Man, I'm sweating. I need to think today. So the cows are waiting us to take them to the grazing point. This is tricky. You know, you see our cows from a distance, so they're waiting us to take them to the grazing point where yesterday we take them. So if you find my video, don't make a mistake, guys. It's the same direction we're taking them. I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. But the good thing is, if we maybe we didn't have the swimming pool, like I could jump inside. So our local swimming pool look like fetching water, taking to the bathroom, and then pew pew. Yeah. Here is no pain, no gain. Whether you like it or not, you must do it at home. You know, it's nothing to buy. Like you can hide and then you run right, left, center. No. Whether you like it or not, you must take the cow to the grazing point. That's our daily routine. Every day, you must fetching water. You must do everything. Like, man, it's a lot. And from there, I'll take my baby to the car wash. It's been a while. So I need my bike to remaining clean, you know. So I'm waiting my mama. Yeah. I see some students passing on the other side right there. So it's lunchtime right now. It's time to run with plates on table. Time to run with plate on table. On table. Yeah. Also guys, check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. Yeah. So I didn't see her posting the videos because the moment she upload the video, I see the notification. But I see the post, her phone break down, so or damage. That's the reason why she didn't access to upload the video, you know. But for those incidents that happened to her, please check her out, watch, subscribe. And imagine guys, right now she was dealing with watching only 1,300 men to qualify everything. I think 1,300 to qualify everything. I don't know which kind of video did you going to make and then killing the show. But watch guys, watch. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart guys, please support her as you can. You know, I was pushing her from 0 subscriber up to now. It's not an easy thing because nowadays our village is full of toxic here and there, right, left, center. You know, to get one like 1,000 subscriber, man, it's hectic. Now people in our village here come enemy, full of enemies, you know. But all in well, we shall move forward, you know. But I told her the way I support you, my brother, come and say hello. The way I support you, you can choose who you want to help, he or she. It's your own opinion. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my brother from school.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
How was your school?
It was good. Yeah.
I see you're hungry.
Yeah.
What if you came at home and then you didn't find your mama, you find me, I personally here, no lunch? How was your feeling? Should we going to cry, no food, or you go back to school? You take a U-turn.
I will take just a U-turn and go back.
But in a sad mood.
Yeah.
But anyway guys, I'm making a joke. The food is on table, you just go and eat. Yeah, I don't want to take your time because you need to eat and then run to school. Yeah, just come. Kuja kidogo. Yeah, I want to ask my brother. you know, there's one of my subscribers to my brother's bicycle. What's your problem with your bicycle? Because people watching you came from school, no bicycle. What's the problem?
My problem has a my bike has a problem on it doesn't have brakes.
Brakes?
Yeah.
And what else?
And also it doesn't have mudguards.
Mudguard?
Yeah.
Guys, mudguard, brakes. So you mean you finish your brakes?
Yeah.
Your brakes pad?
Yeah.
Oh my god. When did you going to close your school?
Maybe
Closing date?
maybe the end of this month.
The end of this month? Okay, I'll see. Maybe the end of this month, maybe I can fix for you brakes and then continue with your journey. Okay, you go. Yeah, guys, sometimes people ask me, maybe I see one day you bought your brother's bicycle. What's happened? You know, he was foot walking from school up to here. But she explained themselves. He have already explained themselves, you know. Himself, I mean. That bicycle have some like small issues, not big problem, guys. You know. Whew, guys. Blessing. If you in our village here, if you doesn't have a watch, we use the cock. You had one more. You think I'm lying? One more. Yeah, that is Mr. Cook. One more. They're looking food. Guys, you heard? If maybe making like that, like maybe 5 times, it shows you it's around 1 p.m. our local time. You know, yeah, we have the crazy cock here. Alright, guys, let's see something inside here to eat. And it's lunchtime, so I need to keep this equipment. Yeah, this is what we call slash. Yeah, sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
You are fine? Okay, that is it. Yeah, mom and daughter. Hey. Anyway, guys, it's time to enjoy our lunch, you know. So, guys, I eat my lunch, so it's time to take the cow to the grazing points. Let's go. Stay. Rama KDF. So ukiwa tarandeke. Arandeka kidogo kidogo. Okay, guys. Mama tutayambe. Yeah. My work is to tie, like to unfold this cow. Yeah. Since morning, when we eat, we make sure also the cow graze. You know? Oh my God. Just a minute, guys. You know I'm struggling here. Yeah. But anyway, okay. up to the grazing point. You know, Tenagisibo? They're grazing here. Alright guys, today it's another different video. The totem home. Let's go. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah, this car very hungry. We thought to get the market. This is crazy. Hey. Okay, let's go. Okay, look, you need to go. Kimori, can you kill? Yeah. What's the matter, yo? Where? What's the name, man? Ah, tate mera beni. Oh. Kamera kab. Tagote nene. Oh. Ya que hay, ¿no? Muy. Kaya ito siya ko yung berhara ba? Ha. Okay guys, I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. I love you all guys. So in case you meet my video, subscribe guys, subscribe. Road to success, much blessing, more videos are coming guys, you know. So I want to say bye bye.